The legal counsel of contractors Curly and Sara Diskaya asserts that the couple's 12 luxury cars secured by customs were registered and locally purchased. The Bureau of Customs earlier secured 12 of the Diskaya family's luxury vehicles covered by a Manila court search warrant. In a press conference on Wednesday, September 3, lawyer Cornelio Samaniego III says none of the luxury cars of the Diskayas were imported.
Na lahat po ay locally purchased. Locally purchased po lahat. Wala pong in-import ang spouses Diskaya rito para maging consignee sila or gumamit sila ng consignee. Lahat po locally purchased po. At lahat po nakarehistro yung 12 luxury cars. Hindi po irirehistro yan ng LTO kung meron pong tax due.
According to the legal counsel, the Diskayas bought the cars from authorized car dealers. He emphasizes that the Diskaya couple is not hiding anything.
Yung mga authorized car dealers, sila na ho yung bahalang nagparehistro dyan. Parang ikaw din, Sir John, pag bumili ka ng sasakyan, yung car dealer mo na ang magpaparehistro. At tayo mo na lang, tawagin ka, Sir John, ilabas mo na yung sasakyan mo, registered na. Wala ho talaga kaming tinatago kasi kung illegal yon or hindi nakarehistro, ako bilang abogado, pag ibinalik mo yan, ay pag hindi mo binalik yan, talagang guilty ka, di ba? Kaso ho, nandun nakita na ng Bureau of Customs. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Legal po yung mga sasakyan.
The lawyer also assures that the Diskayas are still in the Philippines.
Definitely, nandito pa. Masaya nga sila kahapon Sweet-sweet nga nila kahapon Makakaasa po kayo dyan, hindi ho yan tatakbo.
The Diskayas are currently being investigated for their alleged involvement in anomalous flood control projects in the country. During the Senate Blue Ribbon Probe on Monday, September 1, Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada questioned Sara Diskaya for owning 28 luxury cars. Diskaya admitted during the hearing that they own 28 luxury vehicles, but Estrada believes the couple owns at least 40.